Right to the max.
Literally barely at half, man, and we're harmonizing. That ain't right.
Yeah.
That's definitely something up with the carb on that.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because I'm like, fucking, we're harmonizing, same RPM, and I'm literally at half throttle. That thing will be scary when it's freaking dialed right in and moving. At its max peak, you know, RPM.
I don't know, my half in full throttle is like nothing.
Same
Yeah.
all the way up?
Yeah. So I don't think it's doing anything.
I got a little bit of a change that I can hear, right?
Yeah.
Not like a lot, but
I don't think I turned my timer on. Nope. They're very close.
yours must take a long time to lean out or something.
Yeah.
Now, see, now it's harmonizing the same. I'm maxed out and we're about the same now.
See, I'm not, yeah, the full throttle doesn't do anything.
Right?
I gave a little bit she gave a little bit and she took off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're pretty close to each other. Going on the runway, we look close. Actually, perfect time to do some touch and goes. Not from this side, though, from what I feel there.
No.
On this corner here. Literally just put a little tiny bit of elevator. Smooth as silk. Perfect. Yep. I'm happy with that. I got 4 minutes.
Good. We'll go by yours.
Yep, 3:55 exactly. Doing another one from this side now with the wind. Less than a minute ago was right at the back, and
Yeah.
now it's coming straight from the water tower.
Yeah.
Weird today, man. Oh well.
A little putter coming out of it. Yeah, I shouldn't fart around.
Touch and go again.
Yeah.
It's so different as a plane.
Yeah, you got more control of it.
Right, dialed right in, man. It could be a little bit more, but I don't even want to mess with it. I can deal with that. It was so bad before. I was fighting the elevator every time I slowed down. Now it's like manageable. I barely
I'm
touch
coming
it.
in for a touch.
Yeah, I'm way up. Well, you don't have a stick, and I don't have the Tiger, but they're a good combo together.
Yeah, the same size airplane.
Hey? Yeah.
It's very similar.
You gonna do a touch and go again?
I think I'm gonna land it.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, actually, yeah, I got 1 minute. So yeah. Even though we did 10 minutes the last time.
I just don't trust the tank.
Yep. Well, I think it's actually how Rich is running. The tank size is fine. I'm trying to do a tandem landing with you. I'm just trying not to pass you. Oh no, we're good. You're way ahead. I know you're a little quicker. And this one just goes stops. I'm dying. Look at that. Just float right in.
Whoa!
Remember that? What? Oh, you took off again. Get off in there. I go around it. Oh, you got her?
Yeah. That was exciting.
What was that? I looked over, you were back in the
It
area.
just grabbed air. I was giving the elevator to keep it.
Yeah,
I just want to go. I just want to cruise
You want to
along.
keep it on the ground. Put pressure on the tail.